Okay, so we are building a slider for my cousin's Tundra. That big Tundra right there. So my nephew is pumping. Keep doing it. Don't be afraid. Huh?
Nothing's going.
Yeah, it's going. So my nephew is pumping the tube bender. Yeah. We're gonna make it go all the way up to 50 degrees. Anybody can do this, right, Matt?
Yep, anyone.
Yeah. And I didn't force him to say that. 42, 43. Come on, Matt. 5, 46, 47, 48. Okay, come on. 49. Okay. Okay, one more. 50. Okay. That's it. Okay, then retract it by using the red thing that I was using. Yep. And then go to right here. Turn to the left. There you go. See? Anybody can do this.
Yep.
Okay, so now what we're doing is we are marking how we're going to cut this edge right here. And that's how we're going to cut it. So, same there as well. Okay guys, so this is how we're doing. We've managed to tack this on. So we're marking it onto this right here. So we've decided to put 5 legs onto the rock sliders. The reason is because it's really heavy. It's a really heavy truck. So we figured the 5 leg is sufficient for it. And so we've measured the legs here. You see that marking right there? That marking to this other marking right here. It's about 16" each. So each leg is 16" apart across over there. Okay, and so we've also measured the distance from here to here, and I'll show you. So here, the first leg we call it 0. One side is 7" and the other side is 7½. That's in relation to where the frame is bent. Okay, and so here are the measurements. It's 6½ throughout, except for that. So we're doing very, very well. We're having a lot of fun. And after that, we're gonna put 3 crossbars here to maintain the integrity of the rock sliders. And what my cousin is doing here, and he is cutting the legs. And so here is another slider that we are working. Huh? Yes, sir. And so that's what we're doing. Okay, so now we are cutting brackets so that we can weld it onto the frame of the truck. So that's what he's cutting right here. And we are also cutting triangles like that. Alright, and I'll show you how this thing looks like. Alright, so I'll show you a little bit how we're going to set this up. Okay. So this is how this thing's going to look. The bracket here that we're building. And then this triangle is going to be the gusset. It's going to go right here. Okay guys, so we got this thing sanded down. Oh, I want to show you something. We made 5 legs. You see y'all? We made 5 legs. These are all tacked. And tomorrow, when my cousin comes back to my house, we're going to finalize this onto that bad boy. So right now, what I'm going to do is, you'll see that this thing has no cross beam like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to weld this into here and make it look nice. Other than that, these are pretty awesome. I'll show you this. we've made brackets. Okay, this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the 5th bracket. This is for the other side. Okay, so if you're gonna make one, make sure you gusset this. Okay, so it's gonna sit like that. This gusset is going to be holding the weight of the truck. Without this thing is in danger of just snapping. If you go rock crawling and hit the slider with it. Okay, hopefully it doesn't do that, but that's the idea. Okay, the gusset here. So the gusset here reinforces the strength integrity of this. So enough of that. Let's work on that. Oh, so my cousin is sanding down the other side right there, and we're making progress. This is pretty fun. So, oh, I'm helping my cousin for free. Just letting you know, just in case there are some people out there who's thinking, oh, how much is that guy charging his cousin? That's what cousins do, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.